Today, Sarah and I are going to make some zucchine grigliate, which is grilled zucchini. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut them into slices about this thick, just like so. And try to make them as even as possible. The cast iron skillet heating up outside, so we're going to bring it in and lay these on. So here we have our skillets that have been heating up, and it's nice to use the ones that have the ridges so we can get some nice grill marks. We're going to lay them across like this. And then place them back into the oven. And this is the round one that we have. So we placed both of them in the oven. And we're going to peek real quick to see if these are ready to be flipped. Not quite. We're getting there though. Let's pull this one out. These we've already turned once. And oh yes, look at these nice marks on there. And this is just such a wonderful thing in the summer to be able to do any kinds of vegetables this way, just to grill them, and then of course drizzle good olive oil. Now we're going to get some parsley. And we've already previously washed it. And we're going to chop it up. Stems included. Some garlic. We're going to chop this up as well. Take the camiscia off the shirt, the skin. There we go. And here they are. They're ready to come out. We're going to mix the garlic and the parsley up. Now, we're going to get our zucchini and place a layer down. Oh, these are going to be so good. All right. A little salt, and then prezzemolo e aglio, parsley and garlic. And you can put as much garlic as you want. You could even put a little bit of hot pepper flakes, but we're going to leave it just like this. Now the next layer, once again, just a little salt, and then parsley and garlic. You have no idea as to how good this is with a piece of freshly baked bread, a nice crunchy baguette. There we go. Oh, and these charred ones, they're so good. And here we are, have it. It's just a beautiful, fresh vegetarian dish that is not only good as a side dish, but all on top of a panino, a sandwich. This is going to be so good. Top it off with this again, and we are ready to serve it. Now for the best part, let's dig in. I'm going to open this one up, and oh goodness, this is going to be delicious. There, let's put another slice in there, and I am going to wish you un buon appetito.